Hi there, welcome back. This is Masum. In this lesson, I will tell you three rules for using in English. Article the words a, an, and the. Well, our first rule where to use a and where to use an. Very simple. We use a before consonant sound and we use an before vowel sounds. I hope you use a lot. We say a boy, a tree, a house, a dog, etc. etc. And our next part, where to use an. An umbrella, an ice cream, an engineer. All of these words started with vowel sounds. Remember that. Well, in speech, we don't say a university or like this. We say an, not a. Remember that. Let's look some common exercise. Well, an elephant, an interesting story, an hour, and a university, a European country, a teacher. I want to focus a university because it's not vowel sound. We say a university, which is consonant sound. What about an hour? Well, a university and an hour. An hour like starting letter is silent. An hour. We don't say hour. We say hour. Okay, let's move and talk about rule number 2. Use a or an with singular countable noun. 1, 2, 3. These are all countable. Countable noun like a car, an elephant, a teacher, an onion, an ma in English. You can say an elephant, a car, 300 onions, 10 teachers. If you say like an elephant, a teachers, a car, that's called singular. If you say 10 onions, 5 cars, 10 teachers, that's called plural. You can't use a or an with plural. In uncountable noun, you can count it in that way. Nouns like water, sugar, happiness, milk, knowledge, beauty, etc. If you think about it, you can say 4 milks, 5 water. So you can use a or an with uncountable noun. These are all uncountable noun. Number 3, our final rule. generalize with plurals and uncountable nouns. I would like to find all of the plurals and uncountable nouns. Here are three examples. Number one, teachers should be friendly to students. There are two plurals. One, teachers, two, students. But we can say our teacher should be friendly to his or her student. Well, number two example, dolphins are very intelligent. We can say the dolphin is very intelligent animal. Well, number three, exercise is good for health. We have two uncountable nouns. Number one, exercise. Number two, health. We don't use any article before them. Alright, I hope you enjoy this. See you in the next class.